I've worked with enough 3D printers to know the difference between fast on paper and reliable in real projects. Phrozen Arco is clearly built for the second group. The core idea behind Arco is simple but powerful. The print bed does not move. Ever. Instead of throwing a heavy platform back and forth, Phrozen designed a fixed bed system with a flying gantry. Less moving mass means less vibration, better layer alignment, and far more stability on fast and large prints. Arco can reach 40,000 acceleration, together with 1,000 millimeters per second speed. But what matters more is how it maintains quality at speed. Acceleration, motion planning, and frame rigidity are tuned for long, uninterrupted prints. The extrusion system is built for consistency. This is not about chasing exotic materials. It is about trusting a print that runs overnight. The teeth need to come out clean. The fit has to be precise, and it has to be strong enough to actually work. With CHT high-flow engineering nozzles, developed in collaboration with Slice Engineering, Arco is set up for high-speed printing without sacrificing extrusion consistency. What surprised me is that the print comes out clean and accurate right off the machine, without having to fight wobble or warped parts.